Question 6. The number of children at a camp increased by 50 from Monday to Tuesday and decreased by 20 from Tuesday to Wednesday. Which graph shows the number of children at the camp from Monday to Wednesday? This topic is under statistics. We know that from Monday to Tuesday, the number of children increased. So, there should be an upward sloping line. And from Tuesday to Wednesday, the number of children decreased. So, there should be a downward sloping line. We can see that the first two options are out, as they do not portray an upward then downward sloping line. As the increase in children is more than the decrease in children by comparing 50 to 20, we should expect the upward sloping line to be greater than the downward sloping line. Now, we compare options 3 and 4. We know that the upward sloping line should be greater than the downward sloping line. So, option 3 is our answer.